guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time, guys, it's the number 64. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 64. If you would like to see the previous 63, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And well, guys, let's mosey on down here. Here you just see the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And well, let's continue on. Here it talks about a hotel with rooms, or like a hotel room that has many conjoining rooms. And wow, look at that. That's really elegant. And well, let's continue on. Wow, look at that. Would you guys like to stay here? Wow. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. And guys, here it shows you how to connect the window to the dollhouse, and it also teaches you how to make a mirror for the wall. Here you can see it walks you through how to do it step by step. And as I always say with this collection, guys, once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. That sofa is so pretty. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. This is really That's the thing with this collection, is that sometimes the pages are kind of stuck together. So fair warning for those of you who haven't gotten this number yet. The pages can be a bit difficult sometimes. And here it talks about child labor during the Victorian age. Of course, it was brutal. They would have little kids climb into machines and all kinds of horrible stuff could happen. But, well. Here we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, as I said before. And well guys, now it's time to check out our brand new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. It's this big circular table. So we're gonna just go ahead and open it up. And okay guys, so here it is. It looks really cool. There's the bottom there. Here are the feet. Looks really, really cool. I love this like middle piece here. It's nicely carved. I can't wait to put this in the dollhouse. It's going to be really cool, guys. You guys tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I also have links to all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, you know. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.